Good morning and welcome. Today is stock taking day here with me. So I started doing the stock taking and then I realized I'm doing certain things that might help you. So this is unprepared. I did not prepare this video properly, so I don't know where this is going to go. But yeah, why do you need to keep your empty containers? That is the big question here. So the reason why I keep my empty containers, and I've got a whole box full of them. Let me show you. I've got a variety here. What I usually do is I will keep at least one of my empty containers clean them and keep them for stock taking day. Because what I do is I will take my empty container, put it on my scale, tear it, and then I can weigh the ingredients that I still do have some left, and I know exactly what it is. So let me just show you here. I've got my scale here. Sorry. Empty container, tear it. Let's just zoom in a little bit here. And then, take this off. I've got salicylic acid here, and then I can weigh. I've got 82 grams left, between 80 and 82. So now I know exactly how much product I have left over in my already opened container, so it's easier to just do my stock taking here. Same thing with essential oil. Essential oil usually comes in quite standard size little bottles and so on. So from a glass bottle, tear it. And then if I weigh it, there is still 38 grams of peppermint essential oil left there. So easy way to know exactly how much stock you have left, and stock taking is just going to be a breeze. There's something else that I also started doing. In the beginning, I would buy my ingredients and do my costing, and I realized after a few months, you know what, I'm off somewhere along the line, and the reason for that is that most of my ingredients I buy in volume, not per weight. And I knew that, but for some reason the little puzzle pieces just didn't connect where it should have. So if I buy an ingredient now and I buy it by volume and I've got the same container, all that I do is I will put my empty container on my scale, and then I will tear it and I will put my new product on there, and I know exactly what the weight for it is, because all of my formulations I work in weight, not in volume. To give you an example to show you how different it can be, I've got here polysorbate 20 and MCT oil, so they are filled to exactly the same height. So these guys are being sold per volume and not by weight. So let's just tear here on my scale, and the MCT oil, 254 grams. Now, okay, I know here this example includes the container. I just want to show you the difference between the two ingredients by weight. So it's the same container, the same volume, everything. So it's 254 grams of MCT oil. And if I put my polysorbate on it, it's 290 grams. So 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 is 40 grams difference between the two ingredients here. So if I do my costing per weight, and costing by weight, and I don't keep in mind that the weight are different, then my costing on my products are going to be out. And at the end of the day, especially with the oils, then I realize, you know what, somewhere along the line I do not have enough oil. I'm supposed to still have some and I don't. So that's something to keep in mind if you do your costing. Different things, different densities, different weights, so you definitely need to weigh your ingredients and take note of that and not just go by volume. Okay, and that's it. I just wanted to show you that empty containers are actually quite handy on stock taking day, and even if you buy new ingredients, then you know at least exactly what it weighs. I just quickly want to check here if I've got an example. For example, fractionated coconut oil, this MCT oil that I've got here, the easy peasy one. This is 250 milliliters. So this is a cup full. 250 milliliters weighs 220 grams. So 20, 30, 40, 50. It's 30 grams less in weight than it is in volume. So if I work out all my stuff, then I am going to underestimate what my cost for my product will be, and then I'm going to short somewhere along the line. So yeah, there we go. So you guys, I hope this helped you a little bit. You must have a lovely day. I have to keep going on here. I've got quite a lot of stuff to take stock of. So you must have a lovely day and enjoy not taking stock, because it's not my favorite thing in life. Keep well, stay safe, and I will see you guys again in the next video. Bye.